Hello. So today we will discuss about the last connection of the transformer, that is known as TT connection or Scott connection. वो connection both on primary and secondary side looks like the shape T, that is why it is known as TT connection. And since it was first of all given by a scientist whose surname was Scott, hence it is also known as Scott connection. Tomorrow you will give any another type of connection, so you will name it by your surname or by your name. Yes, is it clear? For example, Gajendra connection. Is it clear? Vikas connection. But however, the probability is less of discovering a new connection. Is it clear? Don't worry. Okay. So what is the TT connection? In fact, it also have two transformers. It has also, so basically two what? Two single phase transformer. So we will having only two windings. While in case of three phase, how many windings should be there? 3. Terminal should be 6. But our windings is always 3. But in this two special cases, that is which one? VV connection or TT connection, we will be utilizing only two transformer, means two windings on the primary side and two windings on the secondary side. So basically this method is also known as two phase to three phase conversion method. Is it clear? भाई दो वाइंडिंग हुई तो कितने फेज? 2 फेज. ठीक है. और आगे प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी में हम लोड कौन सा लगा रहे हैं? 3 फेज. तो हम 2 फेज से क्या दे रहे हैं? सो कई बार क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, विच कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड्स कन्वर्ट 2 फेज इनटू, विच ट्रांसफॉर्मर कनेक्शन प्रोवाइड 2 फेज इनटू 3 फेज. तो विच टाइप ऑफ कनेक्शन इट इज? स्कॉट कनेक्शन और टीटी कनेक्शन. सो नाउ next, it is very clear that we are using two windings. We are using, because two single phase transformer are being used. So the first winding is called, or first transformer is called main transformer. What is called? It is called what? Main transformer. Now what is the peculiarity of main transformer? It is being provided %50 taping. If I take a winding 1-1, okay, then I use both terminal 1-1 or 1-1 dash, sorry, then I will say how much taping is there? 100%. अगर पूरी की पूरी वाइंडिंग यूज कर रहा हूं तो क्या कहूंगा मैं? 100%. और अगर मैं उसका आधा यूज कर रहा हूं तो, अगर मैं उसका 3/4 यूज कर रहा हूं तो 75, अगर उसका मैं 1/4 यूज कर रहा हूं तो 25% टेपिंग. सो दिस मेन ट्रांसफॉर्मर वाइंडिंग्स इज बीइंग टेप्ड एट 50%. So first of all, you understand how connections are being made. Second transformer is called teaser transformer. What is called? And how much taping is being used? 0 or 86.6%. How much? अरे समझ में आया? तो दो ट्रांसफॉर्मर है, दोनों के नाम क्या है? एक का मेन ट्रांसफॉर्मर हैविंग टेपिंग ऑफ, अनदर इज टीजर ट्रांसफॉर्मर हैविंग टेपिंग ऑफ 86.6%. नाउ आई विल ड्रॉ its connection diagram, how it looks like. So please draw with me how it looks like. Now, this is your primary side and this is your, you can write down, this is your primary side and this is your secondary side. This is the one transformer, this is the primary or first transformer. It is taped at 50%. So this is called main transformer. While this is only 86.6% of the another transformer is used. So this is called, okay, now you can see it is just like an T. If I invert it, it will just like an T. T on this side and T on this side. So this is called TT connection. Okay. Similarly, on secondary side, you can see what is there. The main transformer is 50% taped, while this is 86.6% is being used. Okay. So that's how the connection look like. Okay. We are providing, now we have only two transformer, but we are giving how much? R to this terminal, Y to this terminal and B to this terminal. Okay. And similarly, here also you connect the three-phase load. So two transformer means two windings are being used to provide the load which is of three-phase nature. And the connection, the configuration in which they connected is known as which configuration? TT connection. Okay. No doubt, definitely, since only two windings are being used, the capacity will reduced. The capacity will reduce. In that case of the VV connection, capacity was reduced to 57.7%. But here the beauty is that it will not reduce to that much extent. It will have a very fair value, and that will be your 92 point something 8 or 7 something is there. Let me check. 92.8%. Is it clear? Not 100%. You cannot load it with 100% load, but you can load it with 92%, 92.8% of your. Is it clear or not? Okay. So this is the Scott connection. I have given you a slight introduction to it. Okay. In our next class, we will go for it some details about how to calculate this capacity mathematically. But before that, I will go for another test called polarity test. Okay. So let us begin. Definitely you ask what is polarity test. As the name suggests, to find out the polarity of the windings of a transformer. Find out the polarity of the primary as well as secondary winding. So what are the procedure? You can write down. Now, you know that when I excite or apply a voltage source to the primary winding of a transformer, what happens? An induced EMF is produced in the primary as well as in the, do you agree or not? Do you agree or not? Is it clear? Now suppose Now, how to connect this? Okay, let this terminal is A1 and let this terminal is A2. Let this terminal is A1 and let this terminal is A2. What I have did, that this is the primary winding and this is my secondary winding. Now I have to determine the polarities. Is it clear? Polarity means whether if this is plus, this is also plus or not. Naturally this is minus and it is minus or plus. Okay, so how to identify this? आपको एक वाइंडिंग दे दी दो, अब आप पता करो कि ना इसका प्लस कौन सा है, इसका प्लस कौन सा है. Is it clear? तो अगर मान लो they are of the same polarity, then it will be called as additive polarity. And if they are of different polarity, it will be a subtractive polarity. तो how to examine it? तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसको हम कनेक्ट कर देते हैं सीरीज में. ऐसे क्या करते हैं हम, कनेक्ट करते हैं और यहां पर लगा देते हैं वोल्टमीटर. क्या लगा देते हैं, ये क्या लगाया मैंने, वोल्टेज V, voltage. Now what will happen, induced EMF is produced here, E1, and induced EMF is produced E2. If both are of same polarity, now before that let us now find out what is the voltage in the voltmeter. What is the voltage in the, तो वोल्टमीटर की क्या रीडिंग हो सकती है, E1 प्लस E2 या E1 माइनस E2, दो ही चीजें हो सकती है. अगर आपके मान लो वोल्टमीटर की रीडिंग E1 minus E2 आती है, then this is called subtractive polarity. It is called subtractive polarity. क्लियर? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये भी, ये नेगेटिव है और ये नेगेटिव. इज इट क्लियर? सो वी हैव टू पुट इन दिस फैशन ओनली, वी हैव टू पुट इन सबट्रैक्टिव polarity form only, then only transformer will work. Now suppose if my voltmeter read E1 plus E2, what does this mean? This is called additive polarity. Means the sign are reverse. This is plus and this is your minus. And therefore, in order that we should use the transformer, we should interchange the terminals. अरे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? ठीक है, इस टर्मिनल अगर हमें मालूम पड़ जाए कि V कितना आ रहा है, E1 प्लस E2, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इन टर्मिनल को आपस में चेंज कर देंगे. You got my point or not? So that we can get an subtractive polarity. Always it is desired we should get an subtractive polarity. Is it clear or not? This test is known as, so for transformer you have learned 4 type of tests. One is open circuit test, another is short circuit test, third is polarity test, and fourth is Sumpner or back to back tests. Clear? अरे ये clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? ठीक है? So these 4 tests are very important. Through the first 2 tests, open circuit and short circuit, we find out parameters of the equivalent circuit parameters of the cell and also the losses. Through polarity we determine the polarities of the windings, that is helpful in connection and also during the parallel operation. During the पैरेलल ऑपरेशन में भी क्या करेंगे, प्राइमरी से पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करेगी और सेकेंडरी, तो हमें मालूम होना चाहिए इसका कौन सा हो रहा है, इसका फर्स्ट टर्मिनल कौन सा हो रहा है, इसका नेगेटिव कौन सा है, इसका नेगेटिव कौन सा है. सो इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल ड्यूरिंग ट्रांसफार्मर कनेक्शन एज वेल एज ड्यूरिंग द पैरेलल ऑपरेशन. ठीक है. चौथा क्या है हमारा, बैक टू बैक टेस्ट. ठीक है. उससे हम वो सारी चीजें निकाल सकते हैं जो ओपन सर्किट और शॉर्ट सर्किट से निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन उसका एक एडेड एडवांटेज ये है कि हम टेम्परेचर राइज भी निकाल सकते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम सो फार? इज इट क्लियर? सो फार वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द ट्रांसफॉर्मर both single phase as well as three phase. We have gone through all the tests. We have also gone through the equivalent circuit. We have also defined another word called efficiency and voltage regulation. Now what is voltage regulation? This is very important. Let us cover in this. If I have already dictated you, but for revision sake I am again taking voltage regulation. Very, very important. What is voltage regulation? Voltage regulation is nothing difference between the no load voltage and full load voltage. Is it clear? Suppose your no load voltage is E2 and full load voltage is V2. Then we define this difference as a voltage regulator, but we generally define in terms of ratio. So the ratio of the difference between no load and full load with respect to full load into 100 will give you the percentage voltage. So what is E2? What is E2? No load voltage. What is E2? What is V2? क्लियर? ठीक है. तो अब होता क्या है, जैसे मैंने उस दिन भी समझाया था आपको कि जैसे आपको कहा जा रहा है कि आपके घर पे आएगा 230 वोल्ट. कितना आएगा? इज इट क्लियर? आपने क्या क्या सारे लाइटें बंद कर दी, घर का सारा लोड ऑफ कर दिया, रेफ्रिजरेटर सब बंद कर दिए और आप मल्टीमीटर लेकर गए सॉकेट के पास. कहाँ गए? सॉकेट में आपने दोनों टर्मिनल डाले और आपने पता क्या कितना वोल्टेज आपको मिला? 230 वोल्ट. कितना मिला? कितना मिला? क्लियर? अब आपने क्या किया, घर का सारा लोड ऑन कर दिया, ट्यूबलाइट, पंखे, रेफ्रिजरेटर, टीवी और सब ऑन कर दिए. घर में जितना भी लोड था सब ऑन कर दिया. तो वो कंडीशन क्या हो गई? एक तरह से फुल लोड. क्या हो गई? तो अब आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करोगे? आपको 230 वोल्ट मिलेगा क्या? आपको कितना मिलेगा? लेस देन 230 वोल्ट. ठीक है. मान लो आपको मिला 220 वोल्ट. कितना मिला? तो दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 10 वोल्ट. तो दिस 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 220 into 100 will give you the voltage regulation. Will give you. So ये जो पैरामीटर आएगा ना, ये आपको बताएगा कि आपकी वोल्टेज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है. एफिशिएंसी क्या बताती है? पावर के संबंधित एफिशिएंसी आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है, जबकि ये क्या बताएगा आपको? वोल्टेज से संबंधित. जैसे ये जितना कम होगा उतना अच्छा आपका वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन होगा. मान लो 230 की जगह न मिलकर आपको 225 मिलता तो कौन सा बेहतर है, 220 या 225? 225 बेहतर है. यू गॉट माय पॉइंट और नॉट? ठीक है. अब मान लो आपको 220 की जगह 210 मिलता, कौन सा बेहतर है? 220. इज इट क्लियर? तो हम वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन जो परसेंटेज में दिया जाता है उसे हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि हमारा ट्रांसफॉर्मर वोल्टेज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से किस प्रकार परफॉर्म कर रहा है. अच्छा, इंडक्टिव लोड आएगा. जब भी इंडक्टिव लोड होगा, हमारे घरों में किस टाइप का लोड है मैक्सिमम? रेजिस्टिव इंडक्टिव. पंखा ले लो, चाहे ट्यूबलाइट ले लो, चाहे रेफ्रिजरेटर ले लो, चाहे एसी ले लो, ये सब कौन सा लोड है? विच टाइप ऑफ लोड इट इज? रेजिस्टिव इंडक्टिव लोड, आरएल लोड. व्हाट इज? नाउ इन केस ऑफ आरएल लोड, V2, what is V2? Is always less than V2. V2 means full load terminal voltage and E2 is the no load terminal voltage. So V2 will be always less than E2. तो आपका जो वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव आएगा. E2 माइनस V2, E2 बड़ा है और V2 छोटा है. फॉर व्हिच केस? RL को मैं क्या कह सकता हूं? लैगिंग. देखिए अलग अलग शब्दों का आप इस्तेमाल, मैं आई विल से अ लैगिंग पावर फैक्टर इज देयर, अ लैगिंग पावर फैक्टर लोड इज देयर ऑन अ ट्रांसफॉर्मर, इट वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन विल बी पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, जीरो, नथिंग कैन बी सेड. 4 ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप आपको मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन दे दिए, तो आप सीधा इसको पहचानते क्या कहेंगे? इट विल बी now in case your power factor is leading, power factor is leading मतलब लीडिंग पावर फैक्टर मतलब कैपेसिटर RC, either C or in that case, because of the presence of capacitor, you will always find V2 greater than, and therefore you will get a negative अरे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? If E2 is equal to V2, if E2 is equal to your voltage is, जितना लोड पे था उतना ही फुल लोड पे मिल रहा है, कितनी बढ़िया बात हो गई, जबकि ऐसा होता नहीं है. There will always be a drop will be there, and that drop will make your voltage regulation positive with either 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever may. Higher value of voltage regulation is undesirable. Higher value of, while higher value of efficiency is desirable, is desirable. अरे समझ में आया दोनों का डिफरेंस? ठीक है. तो यदि आपको क्वेश्चन पूछे आपको नो लोड वोल्टेज इतना है, फुल लोड वोल्टेज इतना है, तो बताइए वोल्टेज रेगुलेशन कितना है? Simple formula. Is it clear or not? So today I am leaving here. Okay, so it is very clear now from that we have covered majority of the topics of the transformer, and I think so now you are comfortable with the transformer, or any doubt? No, we have classified the transformer, step up, step down, distribution transformer, power transformer, electronic transformer, like this. Then we have done the construction, working principle is based on, transformer based on which work principle? Principle of mutual induction. You know what is mutual induction. Then construction, core, winding, and according to that shell type and core type transformer is there. Then we have derived its equivalent circuit, no load and full load also, then test, then we come to the three-phase transformer with different types of connection, and lastly we have covered these small topics also. Is there any problem? So this is the midterm syllabus will be there, so get prepared for it, and the examination is on which date? 14th. Okay, on 14th only start. Machine is on 17th. So get ready for the examination. Best of luck from my side. Thank you.